We all have dreams. Maybe it's a new home, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement. Achieving these dreams requires careful planning and a crucial ingredient: investing. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who wants to secure their financial future. Think of investing as building a fortress around your financial well-being. Just like a fortress protects its inhabitants, investing safeguards your money and helps it grow over time. It's about making your money work for you, so you don't have to work for money your entire life. But here's the catch. Investing can seem complicated and intimidating, especially for beginners. Fear not, my friend. That's where SIPs come in, your secret weapon to financial freedom. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's like a fitness routine for your money, helping it stay in shape and grow stronger over time. With SIPs, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, typically monthly, in a mutual fund of your choice. Think of it as an automatic savings plan. You choose the amount you want to invest, the investment date, and the fund you want to invest in. The rest is taken care of automatically. No need to worry about market timing or making lump sum investments. SIPs offer a simple and disciplined approach to investing, making it ideal for beginners. They are like the training wheels for your investment journey, providing stability and guidance as you navigate the world of finance. One of the biggest advantages of SIPs is that they instill financial discipline. By committing to a systematic investment plan, you create a habit of saving regularly. We all know that saving money is important, but it's easier said than done. Many of us struggle to set aside money consistently due to various financial commitments and temptations. Life throws unexpected expenses our way, tempting us to dip into our savings. Whether it's an unexpected car repair, a medical emergency, or a sudden bill, these surprises can derail our financial plans. SIPs automate the saving process, making it effortless and consistent. By setting up automatic transfers, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. By investing a fixed amount every month, you're essentially paying yourself first before you even have a chance to spend it. This method prioritizes your financial growth and helps you stay committed to your goals. This disciplined approach ensures that you're consistently building wealth over time. The power of compounding works in your favor, allowing your investments to grow exponentially. Think of it like this. Even small, consistent investments can add up to a significant amount over time. Just like a small seed grows into a mighty tree, your regular contributions can lead to substantial financial growth. It's like building a wall, brick by brick. Each small investment is a brick that adds to the overall structure of your financial future. Each SIP installment is a brick that contributes to the overall strength and stability of your financial future. Over time, these small steps lead to big rewards, creating a solid foundation for your financial well-being. The stock market is like a roller coaster with its ups and downs. Investing a large sum of money at once can be risky, especially if the market takes a downturn. This is where rupee cost averaging comes in, a powerful benefit of SIPs. With rupee cost averaging, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. When the market is down, you buy more units of the fund at a lower price. When the market is up, you buy fewer units at a higher price. Over time, this strategy averages out the purchase price of your investments, reducing the impact of market volatility. It's like buying groceries on sale. You get more for your money when the prices are low. Section 5. The magic of compounding your money working for you. Compounding is a powerful financial concept that can significantly enhance your wealth over time. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, as Albert Einstein supposedly said. This principle is often overlooked, but it holds the key to growing your investments exponentially. It's the snowball effect of earning returns on your initial investment, as well as on the accumulated returns. Imagine a small snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger as it descends. In simpler terms, it's like your money is making babies, and those babies are making their own babies. This cycle continues, creating a chain reaction of wealth generation. When you invest through SIPs or systematic investment plans, your returns are reinvested back into the fund. This means that not only your initial investment, but also the returns it generates are put to work. Over time, these reinvested returns generate their own returns, creating a powerful compounding effect. Just like a plant that grows from a tiny seed into a flourishing tree, your investments can grow significantly. The longer you stay invested, the more your money grows exponentially. Time is a crucial factor in the compounding process, and patience is rewarded with substantial growth. Let's say you invest 10,000 rupees every month in a diversified equity fund that generates an average annual return of 12%. This consistent investment strategy can yield impressive results. Over 20 years, your investment would grow to a whopping 1 crore rupees. This is the power of compounding in action, turning small regular investments into a significant sum. That's the magic of compounding at play. By understanding and leveraging this principle, you can make your money work harder for you, achieving your financial goals and securing a prosperous future. Whether you're saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or your child's education, compounding can help you reach your objectives faster. Start early, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, the key to successful investing is not just about how much you invest, but also how long you stay invested. Embrace the magic of compounding and let your money work for you. Section 6. A real-life SIPE journey. Turning 10,000 rupees into a fortune. Meet Priya, a young professional who started investing 10,000 rupees every month in a diversified equity fund through SIPs at the age of 25. She was determined to secure her financial future and knew that starting early would give her investments the time they needed to grow. She remained invested for 30 years, consistently contributing to her SIPs despite market fluctuations. Priya understood that the market would have its ups and downs, but she stayed committed to her plan, knowing that patience and consistency were key to long-term success. Assuming an average annual return of 12%, Priya's investment would have grown to an astounding 3.49 crore rupees by the time she turned 55. This impressive growth was a result of the power of compounding, where the returns on her investments generated their own returns over time. This substantial corpus would provide her with financial security and freedom to pursue her passions during retirement. Priya could now enjoy her golden years without financial worries, whether it was traveling the world, pursuing hobbies, or simply spending quality time with her loved ones. Priya's story highlights the power of disciplined investing through SIPs. Her journey is a testament to how regular small investments can accumulate into a significant fortune over time. By starting early and staying invested for the long term, she was able to create significant wealth, even with a moderate investment amount. Priya's experience serves as an inspiration for others to take control of their financial future, demonstrating that with discipline and patience, anyone can achieve their financial goals. Section 7. SIPs. Your pathway to long-term wealth. SIPs are not a get-rich-quick scheme. They are a long-term investment strategy that requires patience and discipline. The key is to start early, stay invested consistently, and let the power of compounding work its magic. When you invest through SIPs, you're not just buying units of a fund. You're investing in your future. You're securing your financial well-being, building a corpus for your dream home, your children's education, or a comfortable retirement. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time with the power of SIPs. Section 8. Embrace the power of SIPs. Start your investment journey today. Investing in SIPs is like planting a seed. It takes time, patience, and nurturing to grow into a mighty tree, but the rewards are well worth the effort. With disciplined investing through SIPs, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your future. So what are you waiting for? Start your investment journey today and embrace the power of SIPs. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Your future self will thank you for it. Section 9. Your reward awaits Rs21000 just for being awesome. Hey there, awesome reader. You've made it to the end, and we want to celebrate your commitment to financial literacy with an incredible reward, Rs21000. That's right. Simply for investing your time in learning about SIPs, you're eligible for this amazing opportunity. We believe that knowledge is power, and we want to empower you to take control of your financial future. Keep reading to discover how to claim your reward. Section 10. Unlock your free financial calculators, a special gift for you. As a token of appreciation for your dedication to financial growth, we're offering you a set of 10 free financial calculators. These calculators will become your trusty sidekicks on your investment journey, helping you make informed decisions and plan for your financial goals. To claim your free calculators, simply take a screenshot of this page, showing you've read till the end, and send it to us on WhatsApp at WhatsApp number. Our team will verify your screenshot and send you the calculators right away. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to boost your financial literacy and claim your well-deserved rewards. Start investing in yourself today.